Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to combine PDF files online. So let's get started. Go to Google and write down combine PDF file. And press enter. Select the first link and upload files here. As you can see, I have two PDF file and I want to combine them together. It will take little time to upload. Click on combine and it will automatically combine the file together and you will get the output file from download folder. Go here, click show in folder and double click to open it. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.